Welcome to this deep dive, where we finally demystify Python. Have you ever wondered what powers the incredible technology all around us, from the apps on your phone to the vast intelligence of the internet? Well, let me introduce you to Python, a programming language so versatile and easy to read that it has skyrocketed to become one of the most loved and widely used coding tools on the entire planet. To truly appreciate Python, we need a quick look back in time to 1991, when a brilliant mind named Guido van Rossum first brought this language to life with the core vision of making code exceptionally simple, highly readable, and incredibly efficient for everyday tasks, eventually leading to the powerful versions we use today. Python is the secret sauce behind so many digital frontiers, from building the robust servers that run websites and the sophisticated algorithms powering modern artificial intelligence and machine learning models, all the way to crunching massive datasets in data analysis, scripting complex automation routines, and even creating engaging interactive game logic. You interact with Python's power every single day without even realizing it, as the logic that organizes search results, drives personalized video recommendations, manages backend infrastructure for major social media platforms, and analyzes viewing trends for streaming services, often relies on this very language working silently behind the curtain. One of the biggest draws is its incredible approachability, featuring a syntax that is clean and easy to read, which means beginners can jump in fast, backed by a massive global community for support, while its cross-platform nature and efficiency in development ultimately save developers significant time and energy on every project. Beyond the big tech companies, Python quietly improves our daily routine by intelligently organizing messy computer files, sending out those important automated emails you receive, helping students meticulously track their academic data, powering simple calculator functions on your device, and even being the brain behind some of your favorite voice-activated smart assistants. So as you look ahead to your own coding journey, remember that this incredibly valuable skill is accessible to everyone. And while the path involves learning new concepts, know that Python is not inherently hard. Instead, sheer consistency is the absolute key to unlocking your potential and building amazing things starting right now in Python. If this explanation clicked for you, please like this video and subscribe for more in-depth programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding as you build your next great Python application.